Good afternoon again. This time I'm going to teach you how to use Epic on your computer at home or at school in case you forgot. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your courses, go to Life Skills Study Hall, because that is where all the information is. And you're going to go to links for home. As you can see, there is a link for Epic. So what you're going to do is you are going to choose that. And as you see, it comes up right in Schoology. If you want to go to the website, what you would do is just click that button. Okay? So, like we talked about today, Epic is a place where you can read thousands of books. We get it, a teacher can get it for free during the school day. If your parents want, they can always purchase it too down here, but that's not a big deal. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to these three little lines and you're going to go class code. And our class code is this right here. So I'm going to type that in, USN 7605. And I'm going to hit go. Okay. And then you would pick your name. So I'm going to just use James, or let's use Rebecca's today. And see, this is what's going to come up if you are after school hours. So you won't be able to look at these, okay? So this is going to just be done on Wednesdays if you get assigned something off of Epic, okay? So I'm going to get rid of that. And I also want to show you that I had pulled up this to get the class code, but in our links from home website or folder, you also have a passwords. Okay? And right here it says Epic class code USN 7605. Then use your name. So that's a good place to remember. Okay? So I hope that helped with how to log into Epic from home. Thank you.